Hey Wade, my name is Lance Little. Your office lady was kind enough to give me this email that she said would reach you. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about your website and your online presence compared to your competition. I actually I don't know if this is your website right here, kernsprinkler.com. Looks like you're working on it or having someone build your website, which is awesome. I just wanted to share a few quick tips with you when it comes to ranking your website on Google so that people see it and you're getting the traffic and the business you want. So when anybody searches for, for example, landscaping Bakersfield, California, or any other type of keyword or phrase like that, this is what they're going to see on Google. As I'm sure you're aware. But this right here is called the Map Pack. And then down here you have your organic listings. So these are the top Map Pack business holders, and these are the top businesses in the organic listings. So the three things I wanted to talk about are first, content and backlinks. Content and backlinks on your website is what's going to get you ranked in these top sections. Now, Google is looking for, Google's like a big popularity contest. So they're always looking for who's got the most keywords, who's got the most backlinks, who's talking about what websites, and those top websites are going to be put up here because Google's going to say, "Oh, these guys are important." Um, so when we talk about content, I just pulled up. Let's see, it's Maranatha. They're on this top page right here. So this is their website, and Google's looking for that content, just the words to find the keywords. So I actually highlighted all their content on their homepage, threw it in this word counter, and they have about 800 words. Now, to be labeled as an authority in Google's eyes when it comes to content, they're looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words. It seems like a crazy lot, but if you want to take, these top spots, that's what they're going to look for. I mean, shoot, you can throw on like 900 to 1,000 words, and you would beat these guys out pretty easily, with some good dense keywords in there. Um, so that's where they're at. And then, so the second thing with to get into this organic listings is the backlinks. So backlinks are just other websites that are referring back to your website. So this I just pulled this up. This is I don't even remember where these guys are at. So Bill and Dave's and um, Arroyo Grande. These guys were on like page 4 of the Google searches. So they're not getting much traffic because not a lot of people keep scrolling, to find landscapers. Usually they don't know anybody, so they look up landscapers Bakersfield, and they're trying to find a business within one or two of those first pages of Google. Um, so these guys have two other referring domains that are linking back to their website 3 times. Now, to put this in perspective, you go back to Bill and Dave's, who they're on like top 1 or 2 page of Google. They have 58 domains and referring back to their website 208 times. Now, I've seen websites where they have these backlinks in the thousands. Which, another thing to remember with this is not all backlinks are created equal. For example, if Papa John's is referring back to a landscape company, it doesn't hold as much power or authority as, maybe another contractor or another landscape company referring back to your website, if that makes sense. Um, so content and backlinks of your website will get you in this top organic listings here. Now, the third thing is citations. Citations will get you into this map pack. So citations are kind of like backlinks. Not all of them are created equal. But citations is just getting your business name, address, and phone number in as many blogs, directories, what am I trying to say here? Like phone books, like whatever, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yahoo, White Pages, Chamber of Commerce. The more you are seen throughout the internet, Google's going to pick up on that, pick up on those citations, and this is where they're going to put your name. So you not only have the opportunity to get into this top section here, but you also have the opportunity to have your name and business up in this section. So you could potentially be seen here and also down here. You could be seen twice on Google's first page of anybody searching for, landscaping keywords. So I know, I really hope this is your, this is your future website page, but I don't know if the person designing your website is also doing SEO, but if they are, they should be similar with some of those three things that I talked about. If not, you're going to want to make sure that you do those, because having a nice website and no SEO is just like having a nice cabin in the woods. The only people that know about it or see it are you and, maybe close family members and friends. And that's not the people that are going to give you that business that you're looking for. So anyways, again, thank you for taking the time to look at this. I wish you luck on your website and your business endeavors. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me, and we can kind of talk about all this and where you want to take your business in the future, and go from there. But other than that, like I said, good luck, and I hope that website and SEO works out for you. Thanks, Wade.